Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Abid. I am an English teacher. Dear students, we are doing the exercise of Unit 1, that is Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, an embodiment of justice. जी जनाब, we have reached the last segment. In previous lesson, we learned about noun phrases. Now we are going to do the next activity, that is also the last activity. It is about past indefinite and past continuous tense. Past indefinite is also called simple past. So its construction is the use of the second form of the verb while past continuous, an activity that was going on at some point in past, means progressive form. Use of was verb with present participle ing, mean was going, was writing, were playing, in this sense. So this activity says fill in each blank with past indefinite or past continuous tense of the verb in the brackets. Each sentence has two blanks and we have to fill these blanks. A blank with simple past and the other blank with past continuous. How do we know that what blank is going to take simple past and which blank is going to take past continuous form? It is very easy, dear students. You just require to know that what activity appears to be in progressive form and the other activity just happened in the middle of that activity. When we use these two tenses together, it shows us that the past simple action happened in the middle of the past continuous action. Means past continuous action mean an action that was going on at some point in the past and the same time an other activity happened. So it is very easy to find out which activity appears to be in progressive form. Like in the first sentence you can see, what dash you do when I dash call you last night. So here the first blank is showing that this is the activity that was going on in the past and at the same time another activity occurred that was of calling. So here we are going to use, since it is in past form, past progressive form, and it is in interrogative sense also, so it requires a helping verb before the subject. What were you doing? Were you doing? What were you doing when I called you? CALLED, when I called you last night. So now you can see कि तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने कल रात तुम्हें फोन किया. Next statement is the answer to the first statement. I dash sit in the cafe when you dash call me. So first blank appears to be in progressive form when the second blank occurred. I was sitting in the cafe when you called me. मैं कैफे में बैठा हुआ था जब तुमने मुझे कॉल की. Let's move to the third statement. When you dash arrive at the bus stand, who dash there? वहाँ कौन था? So when you arrived, this is the activity that happened in the middle of another activity. When you arrived at the bus stand, who dash there? Be as a verb in present form is am are and its past form is was verb. So who was there? Who was there? When you arrived at the bus stand, who was there? Next statement is Shamsa dash watch a film when she dash hear the noise. So watch a film. This is the activity that was going on when the other activity of hearing happened. So Shamsa was watching. Shamsa was watching a film when she heard. HEARD. Heard the noise. शम्सा फिल्म देख रही थी जब उसने शोर सुना. लास्ट सेंटेंस, वी डैश प्ले टेनिस. हम टेनिस खेल रहे थे. दिस इज द एक्टिविटी दैट वॉज इन प्रोग्रेस while the other activity of hurting happened when Javed hurt his ankle. So here we are going to write we were playing. We were playing tennis when Javed hurt his ankle. जब जवेद के टखने पर चोट आ गई. ये स्टूडेंट, now we have learned the use of the verb according to the demand, कि हमने यहाँ पर सिंपल पास या पास कंटिन्यूस को ही इस्तेमाल करना है. सो व्हाट इज इट्स एक्टिविटी? इट अपीयर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द यूज ऑफ द वर्ब. यू नो, इन एनुअल पेपर दिस segment carries 5 marks and it is the first segment of your annual paper. There are 4 types of objective. The first type includes use of the verb. So not only the exercises from the grammar and composition book, there are 6 exercises. Normally use of verb के statements वहाँ से ली जाती हैं, but these statements are also very important क्योंकि यहाँ से भी मुंतखब की जाती हैं statements. यहाँ से भी बहुत सारे जो statements हैं वो annual papers में appear हो चुकी हैं. How do these statements appear? As you can see that there are 2 blanks के 2 blanks हैं और उनको हमने proper use of verb के ज़रिए उसको जो है वो fill कर दिया है. So any form of the verb can be erased and left in the form of the blank and you are required to fill that blank with the correct form of the verb. So it is very easy. You just need to pay a little attention. अब book आपके पास हो जिसमें आपने इसको fill करना हो. Let's do this activity. Here we have a sticky note that has objective. Let's press it. जी बेटा. Here you can see the same statements. What were you doing? Were you doing? You can see this were you doing. So it is in past. So how can it be possible that one sentence has 2 actions and one is in past and the other would be in present? So ये भी आपने देखना है. तो यहाँ पर blank है when I dash you. It is already in bold form. So when I called you, if you analyze all these options, when I call you, जब मैं तुम्हें कॉल करता हूँ, present form calls, it is also present form. Calling, it is present participle, it requires helping verb, there is no helping verb. So in this sense all these 3 options are incorrect. Only one last option called is the correct one. Shamsa dash a film. Second option देखें, second sentence, Shamsa dash a film when she heard a noise. Here you can see heard is a verb that is in past form, so it means we require past form in the first blank. Here you can see Shamsa was watching. Shamsa was watching. So this is the correct answer. Watches, it belongs to present form. Watch also belongs to present form and will watch belongs to future form. So all these are incorrect. ये इसके सिंटेक्स के लिहाज से, मॉर्फोलॉजी के लिहाज से गलत है. तो हमें ये भी देखना पड़ता है कि जो एक सेंटेंस है उसमें एक ही सेंटेंस के अंदर जो इस्तेमाल होने वाले वर्ब की फॉर्म हैं वो प्रेजेंट है, पास्ट है, उसमें जितने भी वर्ब आ रहे हैं वो सारा देखना पड़ता है. तो इस लिहाज से अगर आप देखें तो ये 2 ओनली दीज 2 ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट वाइल द अदर्स आर इनकरेक्ट. तो इसी तरह से ये एनुअल पेपर के अंदर भी आती हैं. उम्मीद करता हूँ समझ आई होगी. अगर फिर भी समझ नहीं आई है, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट, आप इस वीडियो के कमेंट्स में भी अपने कमेंट देकर बता सकते हैं कि कहाँ पर आपको समझ नहीं आई है. ठीक है जी, अल्लाह हाफिज़.